All right, guys. So we have the ISO, but before you can put the ISO on the USB and do anything with the USB, you actually have to make the USB into what's called a bootable device, right? If you just take the USB and you put the ISO on it and you just try to plug it in or you try to boot from it, it's not going to actually work. So there is a popular tool called Rufus where you can take the USB and it'll format it, which means it'll erase it, erase any data on there, and then make it a bootable device. So let's just go ahead and launch Rufus right now. So we got the Rufus application up, and you can already see that it's detecting the proxmox USB. So this is the USB that I just plugged into the computer. I renamed it proxmox USB. Now it's asking us to choose that ISO, right? That disk file that has all the data that we need. So I'm going to hit select. And we have here the proxmox ISO right now. So let's go ahead and hit open. We have the proxmox ISO selected. It's defaulting to a FAT32 file system. Now, guys, if you don't know what file systems are, we're not really going to dive into that, but essentially this is how a storage device handles files. FAT32 is probably the most compatible across different systems. NTFS is another really popular file system, mainly used by Windows. So let's go ahead and hit start. It's warning us that all data on the Proxmox USB is going to be destroyed. Again, that's because we're formatting it and making it a bootable device. So hit OK. And then we'll wait for it to do its thing. All right, guys. So Rufus has done its thing. The USB is now ready to be plugged into the computer. And we're going to start configuring Proxmox. If you've made it this far with me, again, thank you so much. Hopefully you've already been learning a lot. We went over network diagrams, how we're really going to set up our network. We went over cleaning the server, the computer. We did a quick hardware overview, installed that 4-port NIC, the network interface card. So let's go ahead and start configuring Proxmox, and we're going to start spinning up some virtual machines. Again, guys, this is incredible cybersecurity and IT skills that you should possess. Doing a home lab is the best way to do it. Our ultimate goal right now is to create an at-home SOC. A SOC is that's SOC. It's a security operations center.